We're going to be rating a bathroom in Purcellville at the plumbing supply house called Vamac. Now let's see if this place is a potential resit or a miss. And the first thing I noticed right away, this place is coming in hot with a bidet. And this guy's tag teaming with the remote and sign for instructions. Now let's take a look at this hardware. I gotta admit, I'm a little upset to see that CPVC bumping into that angle, but hey, what are you gonna do? These guys make up for it with not 1, 2, but 3 handrails for gripping and ripping. And these guys are definitely getting points for having a cork bulletin board to keep up with the neighborhood haps. Now let's talk view. From the throne, you're getting blasted by some AC, which could come in clutch in the summer. All in all, this bathroom is a definite resit, so we're gonna mark it 7 out of 10 commodes.